Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a Generation 1 Audi R8. Stunning spec, however the entertainment system really lets the side down. If you own one of these, you know exactly what I'm on about. That dated Audi system had to go. So what we've done is added in the wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto solution. This is actually with one of our options of the standard fascia. We also do a custom fascia as well with the Audi R8 logo embossed into the bottom section. However, we actually haven't, we do this quite a lot. We haven't got too much content on this, so we wanted to film this for you guys so you can see the difference. Obviously there's loads of videos out there with our custom fascia, which is a very, very popular thing to have done. However, we wanted to showcase this one to you as well. This is a slightly more cost-effective way of doing it. It still looks really neat and tidy, still gives you exactly the same functionality. It's just a cosmetic fascia panel that is different. What we've done is retain the original Bose Bang & Olufsen sound system in the vehicle. We've also retained the original reversing camera as well, link that onto the new screen. This unit gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, all retaining steering wheel controls, original sound system in the vehicle. Obviously, we can do upgrades to go way beyond what the Bang & Olufsen system can offer, but we've also added in the Audi R8 logo onto the boot up screen, red color coding on the key buttons to match the interior, and it just all sets off incredibly nicely. A really cool upgrade, being done within the day. Client's taken use of one of our hire cars, nice and simple, however, installed to an incredibly high standard. And this client also wanted digital radio. This and this will be a conversation as you guys come in and book in. Obviously these videos are dated from, obviously we're filming today. We've actually tried something different on today's install. I'm not too sure if it's going to work. We went through that with the client. Basically the glass mounted DAB antenna that sits on the left hand side of the windscreen, we're not too sure, and I'll be following up this client probably in around about a month's time. So if you are booking with me, I'll probably guide you through this when you drop off because I'll have the information fully. However, we're giving something a go. The glass mounted DAB antennas are only £35. They're not a lot of money. What we've done, rather than having it on the left hand side of the windscreen, we've actually gone for it on the rear quarter glass panel on the other side. We managed to mount it in that location. It took a little bit of extra time to get there. However, it's a bit more out of sight, out of mind. We're going to see how that works. Obviously, we've gone through with the client that there's a potential that that might not work incredibly well or as well as at the front glass, but we're willing to take the risk and see what happens. I'll be following up with the client in about a month or so time to see how well that is working, so whether we can recommend that to you on future installs. But that is a really cool solution on a Generation 1 Audi R8. If you're interested in the same setup or our custom panel, feel free to head over to our our website, submit an inquiry, and we'll go through everything in a bit more detail. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.